Hi people, welcome back to Cook and Vibe. Season 5, keep it alive. Oh, you still are watching the video now, give me the likes. Don't forget to subscribe people, welcome back, welcome back. I'm not going to say what day it is because I keep changing it. So yeah, it's either Thursday or Sunday, one of the two, you know me? Yeah, you don't know man, is supporting the Cook and Vibe apron. You know what I mean? It's available. Cook and Vibe shop stock on Instagram. The website soon ready. So you don't know people today. Today we are cooking some authentic. We're doing some authentic. I thought I'd switch it up today. I thought I'd switch it up because a long time we don't make no juice. A long time we don't make no juice for June plum. June plum juice we're making today. Jamaican June plum juice. And also we are making Jamaican Grater cake. Jamaican Grater cake is a very authentic cake in Jamaica. You get me? Never tried it before actually. But yeah, you don't know. So today it's all about coconut, June plum and some other things zimmy. So you don't know how the things set. First of all, we're gonna do the June plum juice. So let's get into the ingredients. It's Cook and Vibe season 5. Why y'all, man? I hope you're not enjoying this season, because I'm enjoying it, man. Yeah! So here is your ingredients for the Jamaican June plum juice. All right, so I've got 4 June plum. Yeah, I've got 1 lemon, I've got 1 lime, and I've got a bit of ginger. You know what I'm saying? So that's what you're gonna need. June plum, lemon, lime, and ginger. Why y'all? So yeah, that's the ingredients. If you're not familiar with June plum, yeah, it's a plum from Jamaica, like a tangy kind of taste to it. You get me? So I love June plum. Every time I see them, I buy them. You get me? So I'm looking forward to this juice today, people. Why people? So first of all, you want to wash off your June plum. Remember, they've traveled all the way from Jamaica, so you want to wash them off. And some people take off the skin, but I'm going to leave the skin on. So I'm just going to chop up these and put it straight into the... You know me? Yeah. Now these June plums are like stringy as well. So they're like, you're going to need a strainer afterwards. You get me? And to cut it, you just have to kind of... See, you might get to a part where it's a bit difficult to cut. And just in there a bit, and then just kind of chop around the sides of it. I'm saying that can go straight in that part there. Maybe chop them up a little bit more, like that. You know what I'm saying? June plum juice. Why? Now, as you can see, people, my blender cup sitting is not that big, so I'm going to do it in 2 stages. I'm going to do 2 June plum at a time, so I'll save that half a lemon for that. So just squeeze lemon in there. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to subscribe, people. Honestly, if you're watching it, really does help. And don't forget to hit that like button. I'm really concentrating there. I want to get all of this lemon out that I possibly can. Right. Give it half the lime. Going with half the lime. Nice. And a lot of people put ginger in it, right, people? But I don't want ginger to take away from what we. Do you know what I mean? Sometimes I want to taste June plum. I don't want to taste ginger as well. Do you know what I mean? I just want to actually taste June plum. So I'm just gonna put like a little bit of ginger inside there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add quick and fast brown sugar. Yeah, we're gonna add just like 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Oh, that be enough just to take away a little bit of the sourness. You know what I'm saying? Wow, I nearly dropped the whole sugar then, people. Why? So yeah, all we're gonna do now is add some water to that. Do you know what? Let me just do it on camera now, so we're not even waiting, because it's not even really a long thing. You get me? Just enough to just free up everything inside. Ooh, not quite enough. A little bit more. And that is supposed to good. You get me? Or at least we can try this one anyway and see how this tastes, and if we need to add less water next time and whatnot. So, boy, let's blend this up.
People say when your jerk chicken tastes like real jerk chicken, like a chicken and soak from Jesus time, get Miguel's jerk yard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a God cookie. It hot?
All right, let me blend. Get me! Look and vibe. So I've made my first batch, and strained it because I didn't want to, you know, I wanted to taste it first and check that everything was all right first before. So, but this one I thought I'd just put a little bit less water inside that one. So I'm going to blend the second batch up, and then we're going to strain it. We'll strain this part anyway. So we've blended it. Take off this. Like I said, I've strained some. Do you know what? This one had a real good one in it. So you're going to need a strainer. Get to about half. And then just mix that around with your hands. Because there's no point using a spoon. Because you want to get all the juice out of this pulp. So you want to get the pulp. Ooh, and squeeze it. Don't squeeze it all over the place like that. Get all that juice out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like I said, man, we ain't done juice in a long time. What was the last juice we done? Whoa, man, long time ago that we actually done just a juice. Like, not even like a tea or nothing like that, you get me? So I'm just gonna keep squeezing it. And once you get a bit like that, just make sure you get everything out of that. You get me? Scoop up the rest. Squeeze that out. Make sure everything is out. Them June plums come all the way from Jamaica. You do not want to waste them. You can't go to Tesco's and buy some more. You know what I'm saying? So, and then once we've done that, go in for the rest of it and do the same thing. Why? Ah, absolutely beautiful. Get yourself some ice cubes. Oh, there it is. Wow. Do you know what? Do you know how long I ain't had June plum juice for? I am so excited. Because people always mash it up with too much ginger and put too much other stuff in it. I want to taste June plum. I love June plum, you get me? Yeah, it's looking absolutely delicious. Ah, taste time. Let's do this. Why? Yeah! That's what I'm saying. Sometimes if you want to do things properly, you got to do it yourself. Do you know what I'm saying? The only time I really see June plum is you get these June plum drinks and it's like, it's with gin, and it just it's taking away the taste too much. Let's go. That's absolutely amazing. Oh, the right amount of sour, right amount of sugar to balance it. You can't taste the ginger in there at all, and good. Come on, taste June plum. It tastes like June plum. The lemon and the lime has just added a kick to the June plum. You can't taste nothing but June plum. I am going to savour this. I got a bottle, so I'll put it into a bottle. You know what I'm saying? So look, voila. I see me buckle there. Yeah. I'm gonna savour this, people. June plum juice. Cook and vibe. It's a good one. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Otherwise you're gonna lose all your toenails. Yeah. Jamaican Grater cake. You get me? Yeah, like I say, it's a very authentic Jamaican cake. It's pretty much coconut and sugar. Do you know what I'm saying? So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need 3 cups of dried coconut. I'm gonna put it in the food processor. Hopefully it shreds it up well enough. If not, I'm gonna have to do a mad thing and grate it. But you need 3 cups of coconut, all right? You need 2 cups of granulated sugar. You need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Some people put vanilla, some people put almond essence. I'm using vanilla, you know what I'm saying? Some people put cinnamon, some people don't. Some people put nutmeg, some people don't. I'm putting it in there, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna need some pink food coloring, and you're gonna need a 1/4 cup of water. So the only other thing you're gonna need from here is your water. Yeah, man, Jamaican Grater cake, a mad thing, man. Yeah, man, a June plum, you done get already. And now you get Grater cake. Yeah, man, you spoiled cook and vibe. Me I tell you, man, just hit that like button. What you? Yes, people. I like me have to deal with one coconut on the camera because, you see me? Yeah, so I've already blended up. I made a mistake. I put too much coconut in at first in the food processor. So when you do it, just put a little bit of coconut at a time and blend it like that, and it does work. So with the coconut, right? Put the coconut, dry coconut, boom, hit it with a hammer or something hard or knock it on the ground, like kind of like either side. It should just pop off just like that. You know what I'm saying? And now we're gonna deal with ours. You're just gonna bust it like that. You get me? We have that. We've got some juice inside, so we now left that out, you know. Yeah, clean. So you don't know, we can start cut up there. And then just break it up into little bits. Keep cutting it off. Like I say, don't only put a little bit in the food processor at a time, people. Otherwise it won't grate. But I've done 1 cup already. I've used 1 coconut so far. This is my 2nd coconut, so I'm hoping to get the fruit, but I think I might have to bust 1 more after this. So yeah, you know anything go when you do things naturally. And don't get me wrong, you know, you can get grated coconut. You can get grated coconut, but yeah, a natural thing, man. You know what cook and vibe is already, so you know anything go, why? Yeah. That's me I deal with my coconut, you know? Just little chunks, you know? So it can, see, just you don't want too much more than that in there, otherwise it ain't gonna blend. So for now, we're gonna blend up like that much at a time. You get me? There's coconut oil everywhere. There's so much you can use from coconuts, it's mad, you know. But yeah, today, great. All right, people, after a lot of hard graft, I've got 3 cups of coconut, yeah? I ended up using two and that much coconut. So I used the whole coconut, and that's what I had left from the other one. So for yous, to know how much you're gonna need if you're gonna use dry coconut, the fresh one obviously, you need 2 coconuts. Yeah, not 4. Like I would save your coconut shells. It's very good for the barbecue and them thing there, you know? Yeah, it's like coal. Now, with the 3 cups of coconut, we're gonna combine the 2 cups of granulated sugar. A lot of sugar, I know. And a 1/4 cup of water. Quarter cup of water. That's not gonna be enough. There's not going to be enough. Basically, it's got to be like a sticky consistency. You know what I'm saying? So maybe a little bit more than that. This is my first time making this, people. So because we kind of want this sticky consistency. Once you got it on that, you want to turn it right down. Yeah. Now it's time to add like the vanilla. For a second, because that's quite high still. Can you still see it? Yeah, you can still see it. So just put the vanilla in there. Little piece of cinnamon. Do you know what? We're not even gonna use the nutmeg. We're just gonna we'll mix that round. Get that all in there nicely. Wait for this heat to calm down. Now you just wanna, this heat needs to calm down a bit until it thickens, until it's nice and thick, and then it's good to go. Now we want to take a third of this out, okay, and that is what we're going to add the pink colour into. So I don't know how much a third is, and I don't know why it's looking this colour. It should be looking more white. Third, maybe that's good. Yeah. So now we've got our third in there, which I don't know how much is in there. We're gonna add the pink food colour into this now. Yeah, so we add some pink food colour into it. Should be enough. If you don't know by now, Cook and Vibe, I'm definitely not a baker. Make this go. There we go. Mix that around. Why? And there we have the pinkness. Yeah. Do you know what? I'm sorry I've been so quiet through this episode. I really find these things quite difficult. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna scrape all that. Get down there. This should cover everything. And there we go. Wow, that was hard work, blood. Why? yeah, it's looking a bit more like it did now when I've seen it before, you know? Yeah, man. So basically, what this is coconut sugar, enough water to make it thicken, and take a little bit out, put some pink food colouring on it, and spread it on top. Now, if I said that at the beginning, it would have been no fun, would it? So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah, man, Jamaican Grater cake. You get me? So you're gonna rest this for like 25 minutes, half an hour. You get me? Yeah, and then till it's cool, and then cut it up and why Jamaican Grater cake, June plum. So like, feel like I can breathe now. Feel like I can talk now. This one like whoa vibes, whoa. This one's a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I hate baking, I hate cake, I hate all that. Yeah, it's not me, but you know what? It really interested me because Jamaican Grater cake, never tried it before. Seen it many times, but never tried it before, so I thought, let's do it. What better to go with it is some June plum juice. That obviously I picked up the June plum, and that's why I done that. You know what I'm saying? So yes, people, man, yeah, Cook and Vibe season 5. We've got loads of good stuff in store for you. Do you know what I'm saying? The aprons are available, like I said, on Cook and Vibe Shop Stop on Instagram. You get me? Just at Cook and Vibe Shop Stop. I'm going to put it at the bottom there. So yeah, man, you don't know how the thing works, people. We're going to have to do it a little bit different because we're waiting for this to call the Grater cake. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the big ups, and then we're going to do the taste test after the big ups. Do you know what I'm saying? So you don't know anything except why it's Cook and Vibe season 5. Keep it alive. Yes! Big up time. All right. First of all, big up now. I'm not really know how to pronounce this. Quayle. But it's spelled QXALYY. So QXLay. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. So Woyoy, first to comment, as always. And I think I have seen you. You was definitely there the first time on that one. And maybe previous before. So big up yourself, my bro. And sorry that I couldn't say your name properly, but I'm sure you know who you are. And also, big up VIP Drum and Bass. He says, yes, bro, looking forward to this. In hospital at the minute, so it's good to catch up with a bit of Cook and Vibe and cheer up my day. Big up Cook and Vibe every time. So people, can we all send some love to VIP Drum and Bass? Hope you get well. Hope you get better soon, my G. You get me? You know how the thing go. Positive energy is always the key. Yeah, man. So, yeah. Taste test. Taste time. Yeah, it's all right, kids. You can make some noise because it's taste time. Yeah. Why? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Season 5. So, guys, basically, right, is that's it, my G. This side is hardened, and this side not so much. So, guys, a little bit quiet, filming. You're debating and getting carried away. So you don't know. Yeah, we had to make the kids then try it. You know what I'm saying? It only made sense. Like I said, one half of it seems to be done already, but we can't waste any more time. It's Cook and Vibe. What? One of the kids then just said to me, did you get a birthday candle? It's no one's birthday, darling. But we're going to try it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into, we're going to go down there, like that. Still a little bit sticky, but it's okay. Like I say, this probably would have want to harden a bit more. So let's just chop that into 3. So we have a bit there. So I am gonna try. Why? Yes. So I don't know how closely you can see that, but yeah. Grater cake. Let's give it a go. Oh, got sugar in it. Now I've had. It's nice, man. It's not that coconutty. Good to hear. Nice, man. First time I've ever tried it. There you go. Jamaican Grater cake. Tastes like little cinnamon and the vanilla in there. Bit of sugar. But, come on, you gotta treat yourself sometimes. You don't know, people. It's Cook and Vibe. Big up yourself. I will see you on the next episode of White.